In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gantt charts in ClickUp. If you're managing projects with multiple tasks and timelines, a Gantt view gives you a clear visual roadmap so you always know what's happening and when. Start in ClickUp by heading to the home area from the left sidebar. This brings you to your workspace hub. Next, open Spaces, which is where your projects and lists are organized. Choose the space you want to work in. This ensures the Gantt view reflects the exact tasks and lists for that project. At the top of your space, open the Views menu. From the available view types, select Gantt. ClickUp will switch to a timeline layout with your tasks on the left and a timescale across the top. If any tasks seem to be missing, remember that only tasks with dates will appear on a Gantt chart, so make sure your tasks have start and due dates set. Now, choose a task in the chart. You'll see its bar on the timeline. To reschedule it, drag the entire bar left or right to shift the dates without changing the duration. To change how long the task will take, drag either end of the bar to make it shorter or longer. This is perfect for adjusting estimates as work evolves. If your team works on specific days, watch how the timeline snaps to valid dates to keep plans realistic. To change how much of the timeline you see, use the time period controls. Switch between day, week, or month to zoom in for details or zoom out for the bigger picture. If your chart feels crowded or too spread out, use AutoFit. This automatically adjusts the zoom so all visible tasks fit neatly on the screen, which is great for quick reviews or presenting to stakeholders. When you need to add something new, click Add Task right from the Gantt view. Name the task, give it dates so it appears on the timeline, and then assign it. Click the S&E field to select the person responsible. Assigning clearly sets ownership and keeps everyone accountable. Finally, share your Gantt view so your team stays aligned. Click Share and choose who should have access. You can control visibility and editing permissions to match how your team collaborates. That's it. You navigated to your space, opened the Gantt view, adjusted dates and durations by dragging, changed the timescale, used AutoFit for a clean overview, added a task, assigned it, and shared the view. With these essentials, you'll keep plans current and your project timeline crystal clear.